Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I straighten my 3C-4A natural hair at home. I'm also going to show you how I trim my own hair. No, I did not trim it professionally. I just needed my ends cut really bad. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this haircut and the luster and the flowiness, keep watching. So I'm starting off with freshly clean, deep conditioned hair. As you can see, my hair does have some heat damage and just needs to be completely chopped off, but I am not at that point right now. So we're just gonna work with what we have. I'm gonna trim off some of it today and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna start by sectioning off my hair in fours. As you can see, the middle section of my hair is kind of tougher to get through than the perimeter of my hair or the edges. But I was able to work my way through. So I'm gonna go in fours and I'm going to be using, oh look, hey, there's my puppy. This is my puppy Teddy, y'all. Everybody say hi, Teddy. Hi. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna section my hair off in fours and I'm gonna be using my very favorite spray. This is the Silk Elements Heat Protection Spray with coconut, and y'all, I live by this spray when it comes to silk pressing my hair. It's like lightweight, oil-based, I would say. It's like a sheen, I don't know. But this is what gives me my hair that luster, that natural shine without weighing it down. So I'm gonna take my brush. I forgot what type of brush it is, don't mind me. But I'm just gonna be brushing out the knots in my hair, make sure everything is sleek, I guess. I don't know what I'm talking about, y'all, but yep, I'm gonna do that. And look at the different lengths of my hair. But also, this blow dryer attachment, y'all, I gotta purchase this. It's from Sally's. When you use this, you always want to blow dry with the longer comb part of the attachment on your hair. Don't put the short attachment first because it's not gonna work right. But y'all, this is the only way that I blow dry my hair. I definitely live by this, like I said, as well as that spray. But I have my blow dryer on the highest setting, the highest, the temperature and the, I guess, the amount of air coming out. I don't know how you say that. But yep, I'm just going to blow dry my hair straight as possible and work my way through my sections. And as y'all can see, look at my ends. They look horrible, y'all. Y'all gonna see from now to the end a big difference. Basically, all I can say is trimming your ends will definitely make a big difference in the way your hair looks when you straighten it. So if you don't like the way your hair is coming out, guys, it's probably time for a trim. Okay, so just a quick little tip. If you can see through your ends like you can see through mine here on the bottom, it's time for them to go. Okay, so now that my hair is blow dried straight, do not mind my edges, y'all. I'm still recovering from postpartum hair loss. As y'all know, I did have a baby 7 months ago, so they're still pretty short, but it's okay. So now that my hair is blow dried, we are going to move on to the straightening process. This is what my hair looks like fully blow dried. It looks horrible. I know, y'all. Don't judge me. Like, look at that. Look at all that see-through on the bottom. Like, all of that needs to be gone. If you're wondering what this handy dandy tool is, it's basically a comb to do the chase method as you would a regular comb, only it'll help you grip the hair better. And this is my flat iron that I'll be using, but you will see that I'm going to switch to my ion flat iron later on in the video because this one just wasn't cutting it for me. My hair was not coming out how it usually does. Not sure why I decided to go with this one, but if you see me using a different flat iron later on, that's why. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't own one of these little combs, y'all better go pick one up. I believe it's sold at Sally's as well. That's really the only place that I get my hair tools other than the beauty supply store, but I know I didn't get this from the beauty supply, y'all. But Sally's, y'all, go get y'all one or look for it online. I know they got them on Amazon, but it's definitely a lifesaver when it comes to doing the chase method. You can literally tell by my face that I am not impressed, y'all. Like, I just look like I'm over it. But I just wanted to keep going and do this video for y'all. So I can't wait till y'all see when I switch to the other flat iron and actually get the trim going, because it's just looking a hot mess. But keep watching because it's only going to get better from here. I know y'all seen the intro. Like, come on, don't sleep on me now. I'm going to leave a link down in the description box to the heat protectant, the blow dryer, and the flat iron as well, just in case you guys are interested in the products that I use. Okay, so here is a side-by-side difference of my straightened side versus the blow-dried side. I did sweat out the blow-dried side a little bit, but in the end, it'll still come out the same. We just gotta work with it. But as you can see, cutting my ends definitely made a difference. Like you guys seen when I froze the video, how bad my ends look compared to now. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks way better and it looks so much healthier than what it did before. But I'm gonna let you guys finish watching me straighten the other side. I'm obviously gonna fast forward it because it did take a little bit. But I hope you enjoy watching the rest of this video and I hope you enjoy the results. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what other types of videos you want to see, and I will catch you guys later.